Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer where the wired auto-config service is not running. So this service is responsible for performing IAAA 802.1x authentications on internet interfaces. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once it open the services, and dito lang sa services local, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows wired services. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung wired auto config. Alright, so once nakita mo na siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-select, and then double click ka lang and pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general at dito sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step, so dito lang sa kanyang service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start, and then wait natin. And next step, so after dito ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So right, so after dito sa services and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong services. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito those problematic driver. Alright, so i-select mo lang dito yung my problem. So makikita nyo dito sa sound, video, and game controllers ay kailangan nating i-update itong kanyang driver dahil may exclamation mark dito siya. Alright, so makikita mo dito yung kulay yellow na yan. And then ang gagawin natin is to update. So select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then select ka lang dito sa dalawa and tap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so after dito, then close lang natin yan, at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the wired auto config service is not running. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.